Hello everyone. I am going to talk about something which we all do very often in our life. That is shopping. The question is, from the huge list of brands and varieties available in market, how do you decide which product to buy? A small number can go to friends' recommendation or so, but the prominent answer for sure will be advertisements. Nothing is more efficient than a creative advertisement in inspiring people to decide what to buy. But not to forget, they also have the power to mislead us. When advertising is littered with words like nutritious, healthy, and goodness, we are drawn into the illusion that we are making better choices. There are many, but of all the meaningless terms in the food labeling world, the worst is the word natural. When I hear the word natural, it sounds something like close to nature, something in its pure form. But the label which you see on the product you buy has nothing to do with it. Even the processed product can be labeled as natural. Officially, any agency can use this term if the food doesn't contain added color, artificial flavors, or synthetic substance. But the sad part is, the ingredients could still contain hormones or gluten or other things which some of us might worry about. They can also be high in calories, fat, sodium, and sugar. In short, if you see the word all natural on a food package, you still need to do a little digging to truly know if the product is good for you. In the legal world, all these labels have different meaning to it. Food labeling regulations are very complex, making it harder for us to understand them. However, the companies cannot misstate components added to their product, whether it's natural or synthetic component, or they cannot make any misleading claims about the ingredients or their composition. For some claims, the companies will need scientific evidence too. So, one of the best tips is to completely ignore claims on the front of the packaging and study the ingredient list. When you do that, an important thing to understand is ingredients are listed by quantity from highest to lowest amount. If the first ingredients include refined grains or any type of sugar or any hydrogenated oil, you can assume that the product is really unhealthy. And if the package says the product is rich in almond and orange, but they are mentioned at the last after 10-15 other ingredients, ask yourself, are you being fooled? To get the goodness of almond, you might have to actually consume it with some real almonds. I want to also share few other tips for a healthy shopping. Tip number 1. Sugar has many names. They can be displayed as different forms of sugars or different types of syrups or any other added sugar. If you see any of these in the top spot on the ingredient list, then the product is high in added sugar. Tip number 2. Strawberry yogurt may contain strawberries, but the strawberry flavored yogurt may not have any strawberry in it. I hope you got my point there. Please write to me if you have any questions, and happy shopping.